Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Agar. EO, you begin as a tiny cell on a vast map, aiming to grow as large as possible. Your primary objective is to consume smaller, stationary food pellets and other player cells that are smaller than you. Simultaneously, you must skillfully evade larger cells, as they will attempt to absorb you. The game is a constant balance of growth and survival, where strategic movement is key to dominating the leaderboard. Moving your cell is simple. Just guide your mouse or trackpad in the direction you wish to go. To grow, you'll want to eat the numerous small, colorful food pellets scattered across the map. For more substantial growth, actively seek out and consume player cells that are smaller than your own. Remember, as your cell gains mass and becomes larger, your movement speed will gradually decrease, making agility a trade-off for size. Two crucial mechanics are splitting and ejecting mass. Pressing the spacebar will instantly split your cell into two equal halves, allowing you to quickly lunge forward to catch a smaller cell or escape a larger one. Be aware that your split cells can be eaten individually. The W key lets you eject a small portion of your mass. This can be used to feed a teammate, bait an opponent, or even clear a path through viruses. To truly excel, employ advanced strategies. Viruses, the green spiky circles, can be used to your advantage. If a large cell hits one, it will split into many pieces. You can also team up with other players, sharing mass and protecting each other. Sometimes, hiding inside a virus can offer temporary safety from much larger predators. Always plan your movements carefully, anticipating where smaller cells might go to effectively trap and consume them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.